Hello my wonderful nail lovers, you are welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you the best and most trendy nails fashion. So if you are seeing this channel for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe and turn on your bell notification as you do that so that you don't get to miss a single video as they drop. Okay, so watching the video you see that these nails look so good. This is a perfect selection of pink butterfly nails for you, my gorgeous prince. So I urge you to watch the video from beginning to end so that you don't get to miss a single slide. Okay, and as you watch, please do support my channel. Okay, support my channel by hitting the like button, and also feel free to share the video to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. Okay, and at the end of the video, go down to the comment section and tell me what you feel or what you think about my videos. Okay, I'll be there to give you a reply, and in case there are other kind of videos you would like to see, put it down in the comment section and they will be made for you. Thank you as you do that, and I'll be looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye for now.